This is a boat that came in that quit shifting. It wouldn't shift into forward. And this mechanism right here wouldn't move past right there, so it couldn't shift into forward, but now it's moving just like it's supposed to. So that's forward, props turning, in neutral, and then reverse. And what was found out was the magnet on this drain plug, thank you, had come off of there. It's supposed to be stuck in there. Don't go in there. But anyway, that had fallen up and made it bound up so you couldn't shift it. So once we took it apart, found that little piece in the shift mechanism, took it out, everything seems to be working fine.